This is practice question number 6 for the EX288 exam. It's all about adding a probe to a deployment. It's pretty straightforward. There's two ways of doing this. You can do it through the command line, of course, and then through the console. I'll go through the console and then go ahead and run the command line way. So an application named Blogger has been deployed for you in a project named Blogger app. The application is backed by a single running container. Implement a Liveness probe for this container that meets the following requirements. The probe monitors liveness by performing a TCP socket check on port 8080. The probe has an initial delay of 10 seconds and a timeout of 30 seconds. And then your changes can survive a rebuild. All right, so this is to set up the environment, and then we can pull up the solution just to have it next to us. All right, so first they said we have OC get deploy. The deployment already there. Yep, OC get PO. Perfect, OC get route. And then perfect. So let's do this. And open it on. Make sure that the application is running. There it is. Okay, so that's running. And now let's go to add the probe. So if we go here, preview, just to have the details of what they're wanting. So we'll see. Okay. Okay, so I previously logged into the console, but typically you would be taken to the administrator tab, and it'll show you this. What we would do is go to the developer and then see the topology and make it easier to set your probes. So you can go here. There is a section where you can actually add that. If it lets me actually click this. Here you go, add health checks right there. And then we add the liveness probe here. And then just add the requirements that it's asking. So TCP, socket, port 8080, nothing about the threshold, just initial delay of 10 seconds, and timeout of 30. Timeout of 30. Then we can go ahead and check that. Okay, and then add. Then if we go back to check the application, let's clear this OC get PO. It should already restart. Yeah, you see. Then if we do OC get PO blogger, YAML grep liveness probe. Then let's do after 10. And then you can see that it's been added to the deployment there. So it's pretty simple to add them through the console. Now I did want to show you through the command line. It's just doing the command from the solution here. Boom. We'll have this to the side. But we can do a clear OC set probe, deploy blogger, and I think it's liveness, and then remove. So this removes the probe. Now it's not on there. So if we do the same, I think it's a new OC get PO. OC -84 YAML grep liveness probe after 10. Nothing. So it doesn't return anything because I just removed the probe. So then to add it, it's the same thing that you see here. You can always check the dash help and use the given format that they provide here. OpenTCP, readiness, liveness, and you can build your command off of that. So, but for instance, we can do here liveness, right? And we have the open dash TCP equals 8080 initial delay seconds equals, I believe it was 10, and then the timeout seconds equals, I believe, 30, and that's it. Set. Put an extra S there. There we go. Okay, so now if we do OC get PO, new pod starts again. OC get PO blogger 85 shoput YAML grep liveness probe 10. And there you can see that the probe also got added to the deployment. And then one last thing to check and make sure that it actually sustains itself after a build is to rerun that build. So OC get build config, OC starts build blogger dash follow. There you go. Just let this run. Okay, once that completes, you can check again the new pod, which is the 761, and then same thing. You can check for six. And there it is. So as long as it sustains itself after the build, then it should be fine. And it might ask you to do any other type of probe, but the process is the same for every single one. So yeah, that's question number 6.